Imagine making multiple trades within minutes and accumulating profits throughout the day. This is scalping, a high-frequency trading strategy that demands precision, speed, and discipline. Scalping is a popular trading strategy among active traders seeking to make quick profits. Unlike long-term investing, scalping focuses on small price changes and requires executing numerous trades in a short period. Here's how you can get started. Before we start, please note that this is not a financial advice. Please do your own research before trading or investing. Understanding scalping basics. Scalping involves trading on very short time frames, often ranging from seconds to a few minutes. The goal is to exploit small price gaps caused by order flows or news events. As a beginner, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with the basics of technical analysis and chart reading. Choosing the right instruments. Scalping can be applied to various financial instruments, including stocks, forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Choose instruments with high liquidity and tight spreads, as these conditions are ideal for quick trades. High liquidity ensures that you can enter and exit trades quickly without significantly affecting the price. Utilizing technical indicators. Effective scalping relies on technical indicators to identify entry and exit points. Commonly used indicators include moving averages, Bollinger Bands, and the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. For instance, moving averages can help you identify the trend direction, while Bollinger Bands can signal overbought or oversold conditions. Implementing scalping strategies. Let's explore some popular scalping strategies. The moving average crossover strategy. This strategy involves using two moving averages, a short-term and a long-term average. When the short-term moving average crosses above the long-term moving average, it signals a potential buy. Conversely, when it crosses below, it signals a sell. The Bollinger Bands strategy. Bollinger Bands consist of a middle band, which is a moving average, and two outer bands. When the price touches the lower band, it might be a buy signal. When it touches the upper band, it could be a sell signal. This strategy works well in range-bound markets. The RSI divergence strategy. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, helps identify potential reversal points. When the price makes a new high, but the RSI does not, it signals a potential sell. Conversely, when the price makes a new low but the RSI does not, it signals a potential buy. The scalping with stochastic oscillator. The stochastic oscillator measures the momentum of price movements. A crossover of the %K line and %D line in the overbought or oversold zone can indicate a potential buy or sell signal. Advanced scalping techniques. For more experienced traders, advanced techniques such as using multiple time frame analysis can provide deeper insights. For instance, combining the 1-minute chart with the 5-minute chart can help confirm signals and improve accuracy. Risk management in scalping. Given the rapid pace of scalping, managing risk is paramount. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your trading capital on a single trade. Use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and take profit orders to lock in gains. Additionally, consider using trailing stops to maximize profits while protecting your capital. Essential precautions. Scalping requires discipline and a robust trading plan. Here are some crucial precautions. Avoid overtrading. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement and overtrade. Stick to your plan and avoid impulsive decisions. Overtrading can lead to significant losses and emotional burnout. Be wary of high-frequency trading, or HFT. High-frequency trading algorithms can impact the market, causing unexpected price movements. Stay informed and adapt your strategies accordingly. Be mindful of market conditions and avoid trading during times of low liquidity or high volatility unless you are highly experienced. Monitor market conditions. Scalping is not suitable for all market conditions. Avoid trading during major news events or periods of high volatility unless you are experienced. News can cause sharp price movements that may result in significant losses. Keep an eye on trading costs. Scalping involves frequent trading, which can accumulate significant transaction costs. Be mindful of broker fees, spreads, and other charges that can eat into your profits. Opt for brokers that offer low commissions and tight spreads to enhance your profitability. Psychological aspects of scalping. Trading psychology plays a crucial role in scalping. Stay calm and composed, avoid emotional trading, and stick to your strategy. It's essential to maintain a disciplined approach and not let greed or fear dictate your trades. Building a trading plan. A well-defined trading plan is your roadmap to success. It should include your trading goals, strategies, risk management rules, and criteria for entering and exiting trades. Regularly review and update your plan based on your trading performance and market conditions. Choosing the right trading platform. A reliable trading platform is crucial for scalping. Look for platforms that offer real-time data, fast order execution, and advanced charting tools. Popular platforms include MetaTrader, thinkorswim, and NinjaTrader. Ensure that your platform supports the necessary technical indicators and offers robust analytical tools. Continuous learning and adaptation. The financial markets are constantly evolving, and so should your trading skills. Stay updated with the latest market trends, trading strategies, and technological advancements. Join trading communities, attend webinars, and read books by experienced traders to enhance your knowledge and stay ahead of the curve. Scalping can be a rewarding trading strategy, but it requires dedication, practice, and a thorough understanding of the markets. As a beginner, start small, focus on honing your skills, and gradually increase your trading size as you gain confidence. Embrace the challenge, stay disciplined, and let the fast-paced world of scalping trading propel you towards financial success. This video is only for educational and informational purposes only.